rewarding, inspiring. The love of art. The readers can see things in the works that um, even the author had not thought of. With one of the poems I translated, I immediately, when I heard it the first time, had some connotations, some associations that the author had never thought of. So it was quite a funny experience, but I guess it's also a compliment to the author of their art, their work reaching people in ways that they did not expect. If you do not have the author to consult, then you have to make some choices, and then you uh, then it is what it is. But when you have the author, you can um, discuss a lot of different ways of interpretations. So I think the result might be better with the like having the author, but it might take longer to translate. The product that we made, the poems and the translations were uh, really interesting to work with, but the meeting alone between uh, two cultures and completely strangers um, meeting uh, because of this, because of our love for literature, is just wonderful. And I think I can say for at least my Danish colleagues that we've made some new friends.